Hey guys, my name is Mr. Mouse. Welcome back to a video. I'm here with Logan.
Hi.
And Logan's gonna be unboxing a thing we got from the arcade.
So basically, I actually got two jackpots. Got a lot of candy and this. It's one of those Tumblr sticks where you just let it. I don't know.
Tumble? You let it tumble?
Yeah, you just let it tumble and. I don't know. It's also a fidget spinner.
And a hand spinner. So we're gonna open it up.
Alright, so, yes, I am.
You broke it.
I just broke the pencil.
He broke it.
Well, time to go. Yeah. My hand's been cramping up. Oh, damn. You know what, Trevor? Get the camera over here. Now that's how you open a box. Alright, so now that that's open, Alright, so, see how good it's been.
That's pretty. It's like a really big.
Actually, it spins really fast. Now I'll see it tumble. So,
That's terrible. Do it the other way then. Oh, there we go.
So I gotta do it the other way.
Put it like this right here. You can actually see it. There we go.
And so it has to be this way.
Oh!
That was not a good tumble. So pretty good.
That was pretty good.
Maybe not the best as a fidget spinner because it's so big, but good for spinning it on tables. And here's the broken pencil.
That you broke.
Yes, I broke trying to open it.
Alright, well that's going to be the end of this unboxing. Here's what it looks like for anybody who wants to even care. Pause the video if I can get a steady hand. Hold on. I obviously cannot get a steady hand. Pause it real quick, see what's up. Pause it real quick, see what's up. Anything, pause it. So, thank you guys so much for watching the unboxing therapy with Logan.
Hey.
And make sure
we're
to...
out. We're out.
We're out.
Also, catch us on live.me because we may be doing a live stream on some Fortnite.
Ooh. Subscribe, like.
And...
We're bye.
Yes, bye.